If you've noticed lately that your knees are starting to swell, your joints ache more when walking, or your legs tire quickly, even after just a few steps, it's not just old age catching up with you. There's another reason many people overlook. Your body may be losing collagen, the substance that helps keep your joints smooth, flexible, and pain-free. The truth is, after age 60, the body's ability to produce collagen drops sharply. By the time you hit 65, most adults are making less than half the collagen their joints actually need each day. And when your body doesn't get enough, the tissue around your joints dries out, cartilage starts wearing down, and even simple movements can become painful. What's surprising is how few people are told about a very simple solution: the right food. No need for expensive treatments or medication. Just a few changes to your daily meals can help your body naturally rebuild collagen. In fact, recent research from major health institutions in the US and Europe has shown that certain collagen-rich foods can significantly reduce joint inflammation, improve mobility, and even cut down leg swelling by as much as 47% in just 8 weeks. This video will walk you through 8 specific foods that support your knees, restore cartilage, and help your legs feel strong again. We've ranked them from moderately effective to the most powerful foods you can easily find at your local grocery store. And make sure you stick around until the end, because the number one food on the list contains over 61% more natural collagen than anything else you've probably heard of. The best part: most older adults have never even tried it despite its incredible benefits. So if you're looking to protect your knees, improve your joints, and stay on your feet for years to come, this is something you'll definitely want to see. Number 8. Egg yolks. If you're still thinking that egg whites are the healthier part of the egg, it might be time to think again. Egg yolks, often tossed aside in many diets, actually contain key nutrients that help your body produce collagen naturally and efficiently. While yolks don't contain collagen directly, they provide essential building blocks your body needs to make it. Nutrients like biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D all play a role, and sulfur in particular is critical. It helps form the amino acid chains that are the foundation for collagen production. Without enough sulfur, collagen synthesis slows down, ligaments weaken, joint flexibility declines, and the tissue around your legs becomes more prone to swelling and pain. A 2020 study published in the journal Nutrients followed a group of older adults who ate whole eggs for breakfast 5 times a week. After just 10 weeks, the group reported a 22% average reduction in joint pain, especially in the knees and lower back. Blood tests showed a significant increase in collagen production, and levels of CRP, a marker of inflammation, dropped noticeably. The most dramatic improvements were seen in participants aged 60 and up. To get the most out of eggs safely, they should be cooked gently, soft-boiled, poached, or lightly pan-fried with a bit of olive oil. Overheating eggs, like dry frying at high temps, can destroy some of the sensitive nutrients in the yolk. And if you're worried about cholesterol, here's some good news. Recent studies show that whole eggs don't raise bad cholesterol in most older adults. In fact, they can actually help boost HDL, the kind that supports heart health. If there's one familiar, affordable, and easy-to-prepare food that supports collagen production and eases joint pain naturally, whole eggs, especially the yolk, deserve a spot on your plate. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. They may be small, but pumpkin seeds are packed with a unique trio of trace minerals that play a vital role in maintaining healthy connective tissue: zinc, magnesium, and manganese. Each of these minerals has a different function, but they all work toward one common goal: helping your body produce and protect natural collagen. Zinc activates the enzymes responsible for collagen synthesis. Magnesium helps calm inflammation and supports better muscle performance. Manganese improves the elasticity and strength of connective tissues, including the ligaments and tendons surrounding your joints. A 2021 clinical study found that when older adults consumed just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds daily for 8 weeks, the results were impressive. Joint mobility improved by an average of 27%, while swelling in the legs and feet dropped by 19%. Blood tests also showed a clear boost in precursor collagen levels, especially in participants over 65 who had trouble with everyday movement. To make the most of these benefits, how you prepare the seeds matters. They're best eaten raw or dry roasted, without oil or salt. You can also soak them overnight in water with a pinch of sea salt to help remove phytic acid, a natural compound that can reduce mineral absorption. After soaking, you can dehydrate them or lightly roast at a low temperature. Some people even grind the seeds and mix them into oatmeal, smoothies, or soups for easier digestion. Pumpkin seeds don't just help your body make new collagen, they also reduce inflammation, protect the collagen you already have, and create a better environment for joint recovery. They're simple to store, easy to add to meals, and won't drastically change the flavor of your food. Just a small amount used consistently can lead to better mobility and less joint pain in just a few weeks. Number 6. Canned salmon with bones. This is a convenient, shelf-stable option that's especially helpful for older adults looking to support joint health without relying on supplements. The soft bones in canned salmon, cooked during the canning process, are packed with a unique blend of nutrients that support joint repair, natural collagen to help rebuild connective tissue, calcium and phosphorus to strengthen bones, gelatin, which acts as a cushion to protect cartilage and ligaments. A 2020 study showed that seniors who ate canned salmon with bones 3 times a week for 10 weeks experienced impressive results. Knee flexibility improved by 32%. Systemic inflammation measured by CRP levels dropped by an average of 21%. Salmon is also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help calm inflammation and ease joint pain. More importantly, the collagen peptides found in salmon bones have been shown to stimulate cartilage regeneration at the cellular level. Participants in the study also reported feeling more comfortable when standing, walking, or climbing stairs, especially those who previously struggled with morning stiffness or discomfort after sitting for long periods. To get the most benefit, look for wild-caught canned salmon with bones. The bones are already softened and can be easily mixed in with the fish meat, adding nutrition without affecting taste or texture. You can toss it into a salad, spread it on whole grain toast, or cook it with oatmeal and vegetables. The key is to eat both the fish and the softened bones together, because it's the combination of these nutrients that delivers maximum joint support. Affordable, widely available, and easy to prepare, canned salmon with bones is one of the simplest ways to boost natural collagen and support your joints every day. It's especially useful for those dealing with joint stiffness, swelling, or reduced flexibility that often comes with age. Number 5. Chicken skin. For years, chicken skin was labeled as unhealthy, but recent studies are painting a very different picture, especially for those over 60 dealing with joint issues. What makes chicken skin so noteworthy is type II collagen, a special form of collagen found primarily in cartilage, ligaments, and joint tissue. When chicken skin is properly cooked, it provides your body with the raw materials it needs to rebuild cartilage padding, improve ligament elasticity, and reduce inflammation around the joints, all of which contribute to joint pain and stiffness as we age. A study published in the International Journal of Medical Sciences tracked adults over 55 who consumed collagen derived from chicken skin daily. After 12 weeks, the results were impressive. Joint comfort improved by 40%. Joint stiffness decreased by 33%, especially in the morning or after sitting for long periods. The key here is that the collagen was absorbed through real, cooked food, not supplements. Parts like chicken thighs with the skin on, wings, and necks, when slow cooked, help retain natural collagen that the body can absorb far more efficiently. To get the best results, stick with gentle cooking methods like slow simmering, steaming, or light roasting. Dishes like chicken soup, skin-on chicken salad, or broth made from whole chickens are excellent choices. On the flip side, deep frying is not recommended, as high heat can destroy the beneficial nutrients and produce oxidative compounds that aren't good for your joints. The best part, you don't need to overhaul your diet. Simply keeping the skin on and cooking it the right way can support your knees, hips, and even your ankles. If you often feel leg fatigue by the end of the day or hear your joints clicking as you move, adding a bit of chicken skin to your meals may be a small but powerful step toward better joint health. Number 4. Gelatin. After talking about type II collagen found in chicken skin, let's move on to another form that's even easier for the body to absorb, especially helpful for those with digestive issues or chronic inflammation in the legs. Gelatin. In simple terms, gelatin is just cooked collagen. That cooking process makes it much easier for your body to absorb, almost no extra digestion required. When used regularly, gelatin can support the repair of connective tissues like joints, tendons, and ligaments, especially in adults over 60. A 2018 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition followed a group of older adults with mild to moderate joint pain. After just 6 weeks of gelatin use, joint flexibility increased by 37%. Inflammation in the knees and ankles dropped by 27%. Even more impressive, MRI scans showed an increase in cartilage thickness, something rarely seen in older adults without surgical intervention. And results started becoming noticeable after just 2 weeks of consistent use. To get the most benefit, choose pure, unflavored, unsweetened gelatin powder, ideally sourced from grass-fed cows or naturally raised animals. Gelatin powder can be mixed into warm water, herbal tea, bone broth, or used to make sugar-free fruit jellies, soups, or smoothies. The powdered form gives you flexibility with dosage and works well with a variety of diets. The key is consistency, just a small amount each day. Gelatin doesn't just soothe inflamed joints. It also helps strengthen the connective tissues that keep your legs and hips steady and resilient with every step. If you often feel heaviness in your legs, experience soreness, mild swelling, or a burning sensation after walking, adding a daily cup of gelatin could be a small change that brings a big difference in how your body feels every day. Number 3. Whole sardines with skin and bones. Continuing with gelatin, a highly absorbable form of collagen, we now turn to a food you've probably seen on grocery store shelves but may not have fully taken advantage of. Whole sardines, especially when eaten with the skin and bones. Sardines are one of the richest food sources of type I collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin, key nutrients that help maintain strong, resilient joints and bones. The fish skin adds elastin, which helps preserve the elasticity of connective tissue, and is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which calm inflammation and promote healing from within. A 2022 study published in the journal Nutrients followed older adults who ate whole sardines, bones, and skin included 3 times a week. After several weeks, researchers found joint pain decreased by 29%, swelling around the knees and ankles dropped by 25%, blood markers for collagen production showed a significant increase. The effects were most pronounced in adults over 65 showing early signs of arthritis. That's what makes sardines, a low-cost, shelf-stable, and widely available food, such a smart option for seniors looking to support joint health naturally. When buying sardines, look for canned varieties with skin and bones intact, packed in water or olive oil. Avoid those with sugary sauces or unnecessary additives. You can mash them up with plant-based spreads or mustard, or add them to salads, soups, or whole grain toast. If the flavor is too strong, try mixing them with plain yogurt to mellow the taste and make them easier to enjoy. Sardines aren't just a nutritious choice, they're a practical one for anyone experiencing weak knees, difficulty standing steady, or swelling after physical activity. Sometimes, a small change like adding sardines to your meals a few times a week can make a big difference, helping your joints move more smoothly and your legs feel stronger over time. Number 2. Bone broth. It's more than just a comforting meal on a cold day. When prepared properly, bone broth becomes a natural, drinkable source of collagen. Slow simmering bones for hours releases gelatin, type I and type II collagen, along with glycine, proline, and other amino acids essential for repairing connective tissue. This form of collagen is especially easy for the body to absorb, making it ideal for older adults with weaker digestion or chronic joint inflammation. A 2021 study showed that adults over 60 who drank just 1 cup of bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced remarkable results. Joint swelling decreased by 44%. Mobility and flexibility improved by 38%. Ultrasound scans of the knees revealed increased cartilage thickness, proof that healing was happening from the inside out. Unlike commercial collagen powders, which often lack supporting nutrients, bone broth preserves the natural synergy of compounds that help your body absorb and use collagen more effectively. To make high-quality bone broth, slow-cook collagen-rich bones like beef marrow bones, ox tendons, chicken necks, or chicken feet. Add onions, a splash of apple cider vinegar, and a few herbs and simmer for 12 to 24 hours. If you don't have time to make it from scratch, look for frozen or shelf-stable bone broth, but make sure it's free from preservatives and unnecessary additives. You can drink it straight like a warm tonic or use it as a base for soups, cooking grains, vegetables, or your everyday meals. If you often wake up with stiff knees, feel heaviness in your legs, or hear creaky joints after a long day, a daily cup of bone broth may be the simple, natural solution you've been looking for, without turning to expensive supplements. Number 1. Beef tendons. After bone broth, nature's liquid collagen, we close the list with the single richest natural source of collagen, beef tendons. They're often overlooked because of their chewy texture, yet if you're looking for an effective, practical, and long-term way to support your joints and restore leg strength, beef tendons deserve serious attention. Beef tendons are made almost entirely of type I collagen, the same collagen that dominates your skin, ligaments, and bones. When slow-cooked, tendons release collagen peptides and gelatin that jumpstart the repair of aging, weakened connective tissue. A 2022 clinical study published in the Journal of Functional Foods delivered promising results. Adults over 60 who ate beef tendon stew 3 times a week saw the following improvements. Synovial fluid density rose by 63%, allowing joints to stay better lubricated. Knee stiffness decreased by 41%. Daily mobility and balance improved noticeably. MRI imaging also revealed clear regeneration of the soft cushioning around the joints, an outcome rarely achieved with pills or pain relievers alone. Even more impressive, benefits began to appear within just 30 days of consistent use. For maximum effect, simmer beef tendons for 8 to 12 hours so the gelatin and collagen peptides fully dissolve. Add a bit of ginger, garlic, or apple cider vinegar to aid digestion and enhance flavor. Once tender, slice the tendons into bite-sized pieces and fold them into soups, whole grain porridge, or everyday dishes, easy to eat and nutritionally powerful. If climbing stairs has become a struggle or your legs feel weaker after long periods of standing, adding beef tendons to your meals 2 or 3 times a week may be the most practical step you can take to rebuild joint health at its root, rather than merely easing the symptoms. So there you have it, we've just explored 8 natural, collagen-rich foods. These aren't miracle pills or internet fads. They're simple, everyday choices backed by serious science, and they truly work to support your joints, reduce swelling, and restore leg strength over time. No expensive supplements, no gimmicks, just real food that meets the real needs of your body, especially after age 60. As we grow older, our bodies rely more and more on what we feed them. But here's the good news. You don't have to go it alone. The right nutrition, done consistently and mindfully, can make a powerful difference, not just in your lab results, but in the way you walk, the way you sleep, and the way you feel when you stand up after a long sit. No matter what stage of life you're in, your body still has the power to rebuild. It just needs the right fuel. Every meal you prepare, every small decision you make in your kitchen can be one more step toward maintaining your independence, freedom of movement, and quality of life for years to come. So, out of all the foods we talked about today, which one are you thinking of adding to your meals this week? Let us know in the comments below. We don't just want to share information. We want to hear your story, your thoughts, and your experience. Your feedback helps us create content that's more relevant, more practical, and more helpful for this growing community. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It's the best way to stay connected and never miss future videos, where we share simple, science-backed solutions that can make daily life easier and healthier for older adults. Thank you for being here with us. We truly believe that with the right knowledge and a bit of consistency, anyone can experience real improvement, whether it's in your knees, your lower back, or even your mindset day by day.